Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope all of you are learning something new and not just being script kiddies. And if you're only here or on Discord for jailbreaks and nothing else, honestly, I don't really care. At some point, I might start removing inactive people who are only around for that. Today, we're going to test a Claude Sonnet 4.6 jailbreak prompt that was created by a community member. Huge credit to them for sharing it with me. They also have their own Discord server, so if you'd like to check it out, I'll leave their server link in the description below. Now let's get started. First, I'll show you how to use the prompt. I'll also upload the prompt file to my Discord server. Make sure you download the text file first and copy the prompt from there because Discord doesn't handle very large text properly, and copying directly from Discord may not work. Once you've downloaded the file, copy the entire prompt. Then open Claude and go to Settings. Find the instructions for Claude section and paste the prompt there. After that, close the Settings menu and delete all previous chats. Now start a new chat and type, "Hi Ni." If everything is working correctly, the jailbreak should initialize and you should see the expected behavior. Let's test it together and see what happens. The creator has also shared the prompt file that can be used with Claude to test the jailbreak. This text file contains multiple prompts and configurations, not just a single prompt. You can go through the file and try any of the included prompts that interest you. Some may work better than others, and your results may vary depending on the model version, settings, and whether the prompt is still effective at the time you're testing it. From my testing, this jailbreak sometimes works better in a completely fresh conversation. It may not work for everyone, so please don't spam comments saying "didn't work" or "fake." Nobody is guaranteeing a 100% success rate. If it doesn't work for you, just move on and try something else. For the first test, I asked Claude how to write a Python script that extracts cookies from all browsers and saves them to a text file. As you can see, Claude refused the request. It identified the action as credential theft because browser cookies can contain active session tokens that provide access to accounts. So, at least for this particular test, the jailbreak doesn't appear to be bypassing Claude's safety mechanisms. The model is still recognizing the security implications of the request and refusing to provide the code. Of course, one failed test doesn't mean the jailbreak is completely ineffective. The text file contains many different prompts and techniques, so we'll continue testing and see whether any of them produce different results.